Hello and welcome everyone. Welcome to Improve E-commerce another video. Okay, so today's video I'll share previous video of last video I am upload for this 21 hours ago is how to fix Google Merchant Center for misrepresentation issue. So today's you can check in this video, no problem. Already 8 views, no problem. This is going to this video. Okay. So I am share the everything one. Okay, so I am checking this one. Okay, so I am going to this my website for this. I am today. This is skyrocket for e-commerce data for driven marketing, top rated digital marketing agency for this improve e-commerce. Okay, so to a previous video, I can share this misrepresentation fixing. I can share everything for this issue for this misrepresentation issue for this one. Okay, so this is a future suspension avoid for this one business name, business everything is okay. Then I can send this previous video for your merchant center then this one. Okay, so now see this now green signal previous video I can see the red signal now is green signal is a avoid for this future suspension. Okay. So I hope it is clear. I can just one refreshment and two time refreshment. It's easy work, no problem. This is also approved. All product is on one is approved. Okay, 1.2002K, and that's now this approved. Okay, so this approved. This is a very important for this video. Okay, I'm going to this video again. Just how to fix Google Merchant Center misrepresentation is a complete guideline for this 2025, and I will also share this checklist. Okay, this is very important for this one. This checklist, you can follow this checklist and this send me Google review request. And I hope as soon as possible your account is suspension. If you need any misrepresentation fix, I can help for your website and I can share everything. I can fix your website, fix your merchant center and everything, no problem. So just contact me, WhatsApp number, just a link in the below, just description check. No problem. I can help you, everything. Okay, you can show this is the gentleman brand. This is the gentleman brand. Okay, the gentleman brand is already of get 5 water and our suspension is all everything. No problem. So you can scale up your business, e-commerce business. Just contact me. I can everything for this top rated digital marketing for this your business every time, no problem. So just call me everything, any or free consultation, strategy call, all everything. Okay, no problem. Thank you, everyone. See this next video and hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel and this go to this video. Thank you, everyone.